free groups eating pizza.
Okay, where are we at?
Yeah, right here. Me and Ned's Pizza Parlor. Got a classy old sign. Pretty stoked about their pizza. Let's go check it out.
I'm gonna go pepperoni, just because I feel like we need to do pepperoni every time.
Pretty classic.
Yeah, we need to establish a baseline.
Like, what is the one topping that a vegetarian can go to? For me, it's like mushrooms, or maybe like pineapple.
For lunch, they have a lunch special. You're gonna get a slice, a salad, and a Coke for $10. A little more than $10, including tax.
This is not pizza music.
Yeah, I'll be honest, it's off.
This is not pizza music.
Let's see that pie.
Here you go, guys. Just give me 2 minutes for the salads, okay?
Pretty raw, not loved, but I don't even like the flavor of that mushroom, to be honest. That wasn't the best mushroom I've had. Ooh.
It's coming out.
Oh, can take a pizza harp.
It's I think you're right, cafeteria salad, but it's good. I mean, I'm actually satisfied. Might help that I'm hungry.
Okay. I got some words for this. This pizza reminds me of a cafeteria from high school. Yeah.
Just like ketchup.
I would imagine without Corona, you'd have all these other tables. You have arcade games, which is always great at a pizza parlor. You have things for the kids to do. I mean, the music is kind of weird, but it looks like they have live events on Saturdays. So it's a cool environment.
I hate to dip down below 3. 3 is like an I like it score, but it's got to be like a 2, man. This pizza is it's a nighttime pizza and maybe a drunker pizza. I give this environment. Honestly, the environment is sick. I love this little spot. I didn't know. I've never been here before. I think it's like a 4.5 environment. Brings the overall experience up to a 3.2. 3.2. 3.2.
I would probably say like 2.5, factoring in everything.
Overall environment, though, when it brings it to a
2.5 overall. I value the food over anything. Like, I would go to like a crappy like taco truck in some junkyard if they had like really good tacos.
Yeah, but it smells like piss.
Eat in the car. You get fire tacos. Eat in the car.
As independent as I can with the scores, because they both are very valid points. The pizza put me back in the middle school where I was picked on. I was never picked on, dude. Yeah, it was. And as far as like environment, it is wicked. I like the Olde English writing on the walls. This is a place that you want to go, not a date, that was a joke, but you want to watch a baseball game, football game. You're here for beer and friends and not for pizza and flavor. Is it because it was a panel, individual pizza that it didn't have like the same kind of sex appeal that a bigger pie would? Who's to say? Honestly, I don't want to come back and find out. So like, the pizza quality for myself, like not to be rude, out of a 5, this pizza is like 1.5.
Again, if they do live music.
Yeah, it could go pretty hard.
Yeah.
The music is like where my soft spot. So like, it definitely gives it a 1.5 over. So it just barely makes it at 3. Only for ambiance did this place survive my rating, honestly.
And we live close enough where we might actually come by again.
Not me. Don't invite me.
Well, hold on.
Yeah, don't invite me either.
Me and Ned's Pizza Parlor 2.9.